Hey everyone, if you've ever watched a movie or high-quality video and wondered how they achieve that rich cinematic color grading, Premiere Pro's Lumetri color panel is the secret. This user-friendly tool lets you fine-tune colors, adjust contrast, and create stunning visuals that make your videos look professionally edited. Whether you're going for a warm, vintage feel or a bold, dramatic look, the Lumetri color panel gives you complete control with ease. Before we discuss how it works, you'll need Premiere Pro installed. If you haven't downloaded it yet, check out the link in the description. It'll take you to Adobe's official site where you can download the latest version safely. Once you click the link, here's how to get Premiere Pro set up. Sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't already have one, setting it up only takes a minute. Find Premiere Pro in the list of apps and select Free Trial to start the download. Download and install Adobe Creative Cloud, which will manage your installation. Once the installation is complete, launch Premiere Pro and you'll be ready. Now that Premiere Pro is ready, let's talk about how to use the Lumetri color panel to give your videos a professional cinematic look. The Lumetri color panel is where you can adjust exposure, tweak colors, and apply cinematic grading all in one place. Here's how to use it. Open Premiere Pro and import your video clip into the timeline. Go to Window, Greater than Lumetri Color to bring up the color grading panel. To fix any lighting issues, start by adjusting the white balance, exposure, contrast, and saturation in the Basic Correction tab. Switch to the Creative tab to apply Cinematic LUT's lookup tables that instantly enhance the mood and style of your footage. Use the curves and color wheels to fine-tune highlights, shadows, and midtones for dramatic effects. If you want a stylized look, try adjusting the HSL secondary section. This section allows you to change specific colors without affecting the rest of the scene. Once you're happy with your adjustments, save your settings as a preset so you can apply the same cinematic look to future projects. With just a few tweaks, you can transform flat, ordinary footage into a beautifully color-graded video that looks like it belongs on the big screen. The Lumetri color panel is a powerful tool that can truly elevate your video editing game. What's next? If you haven't downloaded Premiere Pro yet, click the link in the description and grab it now. That way, you'll have the latest tools and features.